One definition of refreshing is agreeably stimulating because of freshness or newness. I think this could also be the perfect description of a mojito. My name is Carl and welcome to Alchemix, where we'll teach you how to create craft cocktails and improve your home bartending skills. Classic cocktails are classics for a reason. They're simple, balanced, and stand the test of time. Mojitos date as far back as the 1650s, and there's a reason they stayed around. What isn't there to like about a mojito? You have citrus, sweetness, mint, and rum, all packed into one delicious beverage. They are perfect in the summertime, but I still enjoy them during the cold Iowa winter. Trust me, I had 3 while making this video. 10 years ago, when I first started bartending, I couldn't make a drinkable mojito to save my life. I didn't understand balance, and they are a drink that will punish you if the ratios are wrong. My biggest mistakes were using too little simple syrup and replacing the soda water with Sprite or any other lemon lime pop. Pop, or soda for people who don't live in the Midwest, has many ingredients that don't mix well in the cocktail. It gives the mojito an unnatural taste that just doesn't work with mint and fresh lime juice. The longer you stir this cocktail's base ingredients, the more the fresh components' flavors are brought out and incorporated together. Mixing the cocktail for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute will benefit your mojito. Adding ice after the initial stir and then mixing more will dilute and chill the drink. I don't stuff my glass full of ice because I like there to be room for the lime and mint to happily sit with the rum and soda water. We recently purchased a soda stream, and I think it has improved all of the cocktails we made that call for soda water. The drinks are more bubbly, fresher, and there aren't any extra ingredients used to keep most store-bought sodas shelf stable. Store-bought soda works perfectly fine since only 2 ounces are used in a mojito. But if you have any extra money burning a hole in your pocket, a soda stream is worth the investment. Make sure to use a nice big sprig of mint as your garnish. You want to overload your sense of smell every time you take a sip of your cocktail. Thanks for watching our recipe for a mojito. We would appreciate a like and subscribe to Alchemix and come back every Tuesday for a new recipe video. You can find more about each recipe on our website, alchemix.bar. The world is your martini glass. Shake things up.